In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Gemini, also known as Google AI Studio, to N8N. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick automation guides. Start by logging into your N8N dashboard and go to Settings, then Credentials. Click Create New. Then select Google Gemini or Google AI Studio from the list. N8N uses OR2 for this connection, so your password stays secure. Log in with the Google account you want to link, follow the prompts and review the permissions. Once confirmed, N8N establishes the connection automatically. And that's it. Google Gemini is now connected to N8N. You can start building AI-powered automations that make your workflow smarter and more efficient. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and check out my other N8N tutorials.